Started the online marketing space in February 2021 this year. It was funny how I came into the online marketing space, considering the fact that I finished my NYSC in July 2019. Between 2019 to 2021, I was earning between 5K monthly to 40K. Now, 40K looks small, but when you consider the fact that I was one of the top earners in this particular venture, then you realize how much it meant to me. I was hoping to get a job that pays me 120K per month somewhere in Abuja. That was like, wow, like a graduate's dream to earn 120K per month. I feel like finally my God don't answer my prayer, okay? But I didn't get the job. After praying for more than 6 months, I fasted and did all manner of things. I believed that, but the truth is, it dawned on me that there were things I wasn't doing. So I came online on the online marketing space February 2021 this year. I was hoping to just, if I can make 100K per month online, I'll be fine. But somehow, 1 week later, after like 2 weeks of study, I made my first 20K online. And I said, Lord, this 20K, can I get like 10 sales of this within the next 7 days? And I went for it. I prospected. I reached out to many people organically, no paid traffic, nothing. 7 days later, 20K turned to 40 to 80K to 160K to 200K in my first 7 days as a novice to selling online. 30 days later, after that first 20K, I'd earned over 600K, 630K precisely in the online marketing space. Now, in 12 weeks' time, I made my first million online. And then over time, I've been able to earn over 5 million naira online, no job, no qualification, no nothing. Or a smartphone in my house and a data connection. What changed for me was because I gave myself to learning. Now, more than how much I've made for myself, being able to travel the world and do some nice things for myself, are the people I've been able to replicate myself into. And one of the people that I'm very proud to mention is Mr. Emmanuel Dada. This was a married man who tried to come on the online marketing space in April this year under my tutelage, but he was too busy because he had a laundry business that pays him 30K per month on a good month. 6 months down the line, he came to me and said, in near tears, and like, Coach, I need you to help me to scale up to doing this thing online. I said, fine, you will have to make out time. You will have to follow instructions. So, Mr. Emmanuel, these things are not difficult, but first you need to calm down and realize that it's not overnight. What you need to do now, go to the training resource session. You will see the step-by-step training that I taught there and some other coaches there. Follow them, right? Follow that particular one where I showed you how to begin and how I made my first 200K. Implement them step by step. Do you understand? And stay consistent with them and you will get the results you want. Okay, these things are not difficult. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. All right, you have my number. Just send me a message and I'll get back to you. Thank you. In less than 4 weeks later, Emmanuel Dada came back to me. He has earned 5K in 1 week. This was someone earning 30K in 1 month as a dry cleaner. Now, what changed for Emmanuel Dada wasn't because he had special skills. He took his time to learn, to follow instructions, and to implement all that he is taught. And that is the opportunity that I'm presenting to you on this platform. That when you come on a platform like this, you get to learn skills that takes you from beginner, from novice, a complete newbie, even though you don't have experience selling anything online, okay, to a point where you can even teach others how to sell and make money online. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity. I'll be waiting for you on the other side.
Welcome to LenoFlix Affiliate Program.
All right, so we're back. We're back. All right, fantastic. Okay. Fantastic. All right, so our vision, like I said, is to raise 1 million people, equip them with the skills to always print money on demand, and each of these 1 million people will be able to build businesses that can employ minimum of 5 people, because we want to create over 5 million jobs in the next 5 years. So creating over 5 million jobs in the next 5 years with your help, being among the 1 million people that we are going to teach how to make money through commission, which is affiliate marketing, through transaction, which is the mystery we are going to launch in October. And you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss this one. All right, that's what we're going to do. And for a lot of people already on the community, they're already making money through skill exchange, which is selling your skills directly to solve problems for people. All right. So you're going to learn to make money from these three major ways. What is available right now is affiliate marketing. You can promote this university, you can promote this platform, you can promote courses on our platform as well and make commission from it. We're going to show you exactly how to do that. We have a course called 2MI48 that teaches you how to sell. We have the 30 days income challenge, which teaches you 14 unique skills. All right. So you have all of these things equipping you already. We have some bonus trainings that give you all the information you need to be able to succeed. And right now we're working on translating what we have to French. So if you are a French speaking person on this call right now, get ready, because there are amazing things that we are about to run that is going to blow your mind away. All right. So just get ready for us. You're going to be able to hear us in your language. All right. So how do you become a part of this organization? You have to register as a member through someone's invitation. You can't just join us except someone invites you, right? So to be able to join, you need to get back to whoever invites you to listen to this, to join, to attend this event, to get what we call the registration link. It will cost you $100 right now. By 1st of July, the price is going to $150. All right. And it's keep climbing like that till October, where it's going to sit at the normal price of $1,000. The certificate, but certificate is not important. Money is the real certificate. All right. Number 3 is the business school. You want to start a business with the skill you have learned, which you want everybody to do. We are going to be able to teach you exactly how to start a business with your skills. All right. We're going to be able to teach you exactly how to do that, how to start a business with your skills. Okay. Under what we know as the Lenoflex Business School, right? So there are 10 different businesses that are under that you'll be able to learn from and also be able to grow effectively. Okay. That is the second. That's the third one. The fourth one is the Lenoflex Crypto Academy. All right, somebody didn't get number 2. Number 1 is the Lenoflex Affiliates Network, LAN. Number 2 is the High Income Skills University. All right. And number 3 is the Lenoflex Business School. All right. Lenoflex Business School. And number 4 is the Crypto Academy. All right. So we're going fully into blockchain and everything that relates to the cryptocurrency world eventually. So you're going to be able to learn and profit from all of that. Now, each of these standalone cost a lot of money. The cheapest among them is going to cost about $500 by the time we fully launch them. All right. But right now, those of you who are joining the vision right now, you're going to have access to everything for free. You're going to have access to everything for free. You're going to learn everything for free. You're going to get everything for free. All right. If you are registering now. All right. Now I want to do something for everybody who's going to be registering tonight. If you're starting tonight and you are paying the $100 tonight, I want to give you a special gift. And that special gift is simply 1, direct access to me through WhatsApp. Number 2, you're going to be able to get what we call the 3 Secrets of Success video, which is a 3-hour long video where I teach you how to succeed at anything you do by teaching you the secret of wealth. What makes the people who rule the world very wealthy? 3 things. It's not hard work, it's not idea, it's not none of those things that you currently know. There are hidden things that there's some little practice you have to do that will change your financial story, your money story completely. I make money, and this may scare some of you. Some of you might not believe this. When I think about a need, I just make the money for meeting that need these days automatically. Someone will just call me and ask me to do something for them or pass an idea through me that the money that comes from that is going to pay for whatever I think about. Once I think about it, I want to do it, the means just happen. And it's simply because of these things that I have learned. All right. It's not because I'm smarter than you. Some of you are better looking. Some of you speak better English or better French. Definitely, you all speak better French. Some of you can do more than what I'm doing here. But you may not be making the kind of money that I am making. All right. It's simply because I got a bit of these things correctly. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're interested in this, the video is worth $1,000, but I'm giving to you for free. Those of you who are going to pay tonight. So from any country you are joining from, you can pay through Stripe if you're outside of Africa. If you're in Africa, Kenya, there's M-Pesa. Stripe for Tanzanians, but because we're not doing M-Pesa Tanzania yet, it's M-Pesa Ghana we have currently. If you are in Cameroon, any part of Cameroon, there's MTN Momo for you. If you're in Ghana, there's MTN Momo for you. If you're in Nigeria, there's Paystack for you, or bank transfer, Access Bank Pass. All right. So you can pay through any of those means and get registered today. And I'll be waiting to hear from you. I actually want you to chat me up tonight, because at the moment you register and you log in, please go to where they write bonus, click on it, and claim everything that I've blessed you with there. You'll be shocked what you will find there. All right, just go there. They're already waiting for you as I'm talking right now. All right, thank you very much, everyone, for joining. What I want you to do is go back to the person who invites you for this event and get their link to be able to register. I hope with this few points of mine, I've been able to show you that there's a lot that is waiting for you. Meanwhile, we just started a YouTube masterclass. We've had 3 days of back-to-back value already, and we're going to be continuing again from next week. And tomorrow we have our weekly mentorship session. We're going to be having that directly with me. You don't want to miss this at all. You don't want to miss it for anything. All right, there will be giveaway, there will be fun, I'll do DJ for you, and there will be training, all kinds of things. So you don't want to miss it. That's why I want you to register tonight as much as possible. I want to welcome everyone who registered in Bamenda today, who are our new members. Thank you for taking that step. Thank you for taking a chance on your dreams, and thank you for joining the vision. Thank you very much, everyone. I welcome you to the family. It's going to be an amazing experience we're having together. So please, between now and October, our major goal is to grow our community to a certain number, and that is why it looks like we are all about recruiting. No, it's because we have a mega plan, and that mega plan will not work except to have a certain number of people in the affiliate program. So we need you to join us as much as possible. If you can see, join us. If you can see, join us. Any country where you are, join us, because we need this number to make everyone a millionaire. And we know that you are going to contribute your own quota to this amazing, amazing opportunity. So I'm going to say thank you to everybody for joining us. And I'm supposed to leave you with a testimonial. Let me see if I can show you this one. All right. So I'll see you all on the inside. Thank you for joining.
$24 in my first 11 months as an online entrepreneur to earning over $4,000 in 7 days. And this is my story. My name is Kenny Wokoye. And if you're here to make up your mind about joining this platform, I know exactly how you feel, because that's exactly the same way I felt when I first came across this amazing opportunity. But what I found is that sometimes all you need to do is believe that something can actually work for you. Sometimes what you need to do is actually expand your idea of what is possible for you. I used to think that I couldn't be successful. So whenever I come across amazing platforms like this, I used to always doubt that they could work for me. So it always had a negative impact on my income. But the moment I was able to expand beyond that point, I've been able to scale my income to realms beyond my wildest dreams. I just mentioned just now, in 7 days, $4,000. And that's not even the amazing thing. The real amazing thing is the fact that I've been able to help other people, other aspiring online entrepreneurs, over 3,000 people, build amazing businesses for themselves to scale their income from zero to hero. And these are people from over 10 countries who are using the same teachings, the same mentorship that I've offered them, using the same skills that you're going to be learning on this platform to build amazing income for themselves. And your case is not going to be different. If I can do it, then absolutely you can do it too. If my students can do it all over the world, then you too can do the same and even better. For example, I used to have a student who used to earn 8,000 naira a month as a teacher.
My name is Emeka Trust. I am based in Benin City, Nigeria. Now, before I became an affiliate, I was a teacher who was receiving 8,000 naira in a full month as salary. I added home lesson to boost my income, but it ended up stealing all my time and as well paying me peanuts. I learned the PATS framework, which taught me how to attract my customers through positioning, and I started making money from my affiliate business without spending a dime on paid ads. Currently, I've made over $1 million in sales in less than 4 months. With what I learned from this amazing community, where I was opportuned to learn from the best of the best through group coaching. If you're thinking of getting serious with affiliate marketing, or maybe you're thinking of becoming an affiliate, then you need to get plugged into this amazing community.
Think about that. In a whole month, 8,000 naira. But somehow she learned these same skills on this platform, and she has been able to 10x her income to over $1 million in less than 6 months. From a teacher earning 8K to a millionaire. Just imagine that. The only reason why you can join this is if you don't believe that you can be successful. And I've been able to move beyond that point. My students have been able to move beyond that point. I believe you can too. And I'm waiting for you on the inside as one of the in-house coaches on this platform, where I'm going to be teaching you the exact same steps that I took to build an 8-figure business for myself. And the same steps that my students have used to build 7-figure businesses for themselves as well. So what are you waiting for? Join LAP today.
Welcome to Lenoflix Affiliate Program.
So what are you waiting for? Join this great vision. Join Lenoflix. At Lenoflix, we learn, we earn, and we flex.
Go because these are skills that are going to help us to fight poverty. These are skills that are going to help us help other people to be able to earn extra income.
And we look at it 1 year down the lane, 2 years, 50,000 people being transformed by this system. We have seen security workers, teachers, doctors getting their life